It's a song I wrote in the 80s called Let It Rain.
Let it rain. It looks so beautiful to me. Let the rain run so free. And it's raining for you and me.
Thanks for listening.